In the future, I see myself buying land so that I can do more of the projects that I have in mind. I'd like to really commit to more permaculture principles. I'd like to have animals to add into the ecosystem, which I obviously can't do while I'm leasing. Well, I can't in good conscience acquire a bunch of animals that I don't know if I'm going to have a place for. And then I'd like to build basically what's called a food jungle, which is like incorporates like fruit trees and like all sorts of different things, and usually it's built on berms, which are like they're like a elevated mound that you fill full of compostable material, so it's super nutrient rich, and then you plant up the sides of it and you plant fruit trees or whatever kind of tree at the top, and the roots kind of hold the whole thing together. And I'd like to do that obviously on a place where in a place where I'm going to stay forever. I don't want to put that kind of work in when it's only temporary. But yeah, I kind of see that food production in this country needs to move away from industrialized concepts and more towards people growing their own food, like having some independence and taking responsibility for their life, basically. And also like CSAs, I mean, community supported agriculture. Not everybody has the time, resources, or energy or physical ability to grow their own food, but everybody spends money on food, and so you just have to decide where you're gonna put that money. And I think that creating the relationships between food providers and food consumers is extremely important, because people right now are so removed from where their food comes from. Not only can they not grow it themselves, but they don't have any concept of what goes into it, what it takes, and I don't know. That's kind of what I got.